Welcome to another quiz quest. Today we have another glamorous challenge between Lisa or Lena. Are you ready? Let's get started. Wow! Simply amazing. And now, which cash register did you like the most? They are so cute and perfect, you can't help but want to take one home, right? Ah, how cool! Which cute phone do you choose? Now, tell me in the comments, please, which Barbie do you choose? And which one is your favorite? Beautiful. Tell me, which one do you prefer? And now, which suitcase do you choose? So amazing, right? Ah, how cute! Lisa or Lena? I loved it so much and you loved it too, tell me. Tell me. Which one is your favorite? They are simply the most beautiful ones I have ever seen. How amazing! I thought it was really cool. Are you having fun? Then leave that glamorous like, please. Lisa and Lena are amazing, really amazing, aren't they? Choose the next video now, like, subscribe and activate the bell to always be up to date with the new Pure Glamour quizzes. Thank you very much for watching. Until the next glamorous quiz.